All right, drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1971 Olds Cutlass Supreme Convertible. Listen to this, was with the same ownership for 54 years. Actually still has the numbers matching Rocket 350 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Equipped with power steering, power top. Saturn Gold, paint code 53, so this one's still looking very much like it would have looked back in 1971 when it rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer showroom floor. Let's take a look at the chrome up front, grille, headlight surrounds. All right, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels, beauty rings, center caps, new radial tires done in 2025, along with a lot of other recent service and parts done to this car. And we're going to get into that in just a little bit. Let's take a look down this passenger side first. Now, as far as the paint, there's a few spots. It's got some touch-up. Is it perfect? No. Does it still have a nice shine to it? It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, go have some fun, put the top down, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just take it out on a nice sunny day. That's the type of car that this is. Have some fun with it. So black interior, trim 980. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior, peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, and we're going to look at that convertible top a little bit closer. You can see those panels nice and straight. Like I said, a few spots here and there where there's some touch-up. All right. Recent service work, parts, things done to this car. Let's hit on a few of those. Does have newer brakes. Brakes nice and straight. Flex lines were done, as well as the wheel cylinders and master cylinder. KYB gas shock absorbers installed recently. Steering gear box and hoses. Aluminum radiator and hoses added underneath the hood. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. You can see that is a nice shape. Little touch-up spot here. Carb was sent out, professionally rebuilt. Convertible top and switch are newer. Mentioned the tires were done in 2025. Tranny pan gasket was replaced, has HEI ignition, and a new distributor, plugs and wires. There was a note from the technician that looked at this car in our service department. Radio is in op. Heater does work, and very minor powertrain sleep switch. It's one of those common on a car that's driven a little bit. Believed to be original miles also. Just a little over 78,000 on this one is all. That's what was passed on from the long-term ownership. Like I said, 54 years. And you can see up and down that driver's side, paint still has a nice shine to it. All right, let's check this interior out a little bit closer. So seat belts intact, front and rear. It appears that it could very easily be the original interior also, with the exception of maybe the carpet. The carpet looks like it is newer in very nice shape. All right, door panels. Those appear to be original. It does have an FM converter underneath the dash, pretty cool. Back in the day when you had an AM radio and you wanted FM in your car also, that's the way to do it. That number's matching, 350, fires right up. Sounds good too, top of the dash. Look at that, this car must have been stored indoors, no doubt about that. That dash is in nice shape for a 71. There's what's believed to be original miles, 78,573. Very stock looking dash. Horn works. door closes nicely. Sounded good too. Listen to this. Little rumble coming out of that Rocket 350. All right, let's get this hood popped. Check out this engine bay and we'll move along to that convertible top. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Again, carb sent out, recently rebuilt. There's that aluminum radiator. HEI ignition added back there. New master cylinder, all these things we talked about earlier. Battery does have a disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Pretty stock looking engine bay. And boy, does that thing run smooth and quiet. The Oldsmobile Rocket 350. All right, let's go ahead and let's check out this power top. See what the condition of that is. All right, so power top up, and like I said earlier, new top, and it shows new power top switch also. So there you go, above the windshield. Nice fit, black vinyl. Also rolled the side glass up so you can see that fits nicely. No surprises here. Looks like it was just replaced, which it was. All right, rear window nice and clear. No rips, tears, holes. And you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures too, along with everything else. And I'll show it going back down and into the storage compartment before Jason takes it for a drive. 54-year ownership. This 1971 Olds Cutlass Supreme convertible came from. Believed to be original miles. Number matching. Engine and trans, and you'll be able to see that stamping in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This is a convertible with the top down today on a beautiful summer day. If you're looking for something that leans very original, which numbers matching, engine numbers matching, transmission, sounds original, looks original, this color is really a throwback to 71. The wood grain in the dash, the horn works great. It's a smooth running Oldsmobile. The fuel gauge is showing half full. The speedometer is working. It says we're doing 55 miles an hour. That feels close to right. This is an automatic on the column. Power top. The wipers work. The blower motor works. Now I have not got sound out of the radio myself. There is an FM adapter underneath. Remember those days? Bench seat in the front and in the rear, very comfortable, looking nice. Power steering working very well. If you're getting any wind noise, that is just the nature of running with the top down on a beautiful day. A couple cracks in the steering wheel as to be expected. Actually, just one, two. Really, even the steering wheel survived. It's amazing. Brakes smoothly. Corners nicely as well. The sway bar doing its job. And when I push my foot down, it doesn't get louder because it's completely stock sounding exhaust in my opinion, but it shifts down as it should. Take a look at all the pictures of this 71 Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.